Weather from the First Arkansas Bank and Trust Weather Garden.
Well, can you believe Friday Night Football has arrived? Unfortunately, the weather should cooperate, and also it will not be as hot as what we have been seeing. Here's the forecast. Any football game, there's going to be the small chance of a passing shower or storm. We'll just have to see where these bubble up through the course of the day. Temperatures, though, if you don't see the rain, will be into the upper 80s to low 90s by kickoff, and then we'll see those numbers drop down into the low to mid 80s going into the fourth quarter. The rest of the weekend shaping up to be this way. Temperatures into the low 90s, 20% chance of a pop-up shower storm Saturday, including the Salt Bowl. That chance is low, but it is there. And then I think the chance will be going up Sunday as more tropical moisture starts to arrive ahead of what will become Hurricane Ida. And we could use the rain. Here's the rainfall deficits and surpluses since June 1st, and there is abnormally dry conditions over northeast Arkansas, but you can see the deficit from Pine Bluff to Little Rock. Don't need any rain into South Arkansas. And Ida, with the track well to the east, is going to deliver some rain to us. A lot of locations, I think, we'll see half inch or less. It's going to be East Arkansas that has the best opportunity of seeing 1 to 3 inches. Taking a look at two different weather models here, you can see that sharp gradient staying in the Mississippi, and then those rainfall totals really drop off the farther west that you are. And we'll see the rain arrive from Ida Monday night, and linger into Tuesday. Here's what's going on. Okay, Ida has now become a hurricane, so that's the newest information we are just getting from the National Hurricane Center now, because the winds are up to 75 miles per hour. And with this already being a hurricane, once it enters the Gulf of Mexico, I think we're looking at a Cat 3, Cat 4 hurricane affecting this part of Louisiana, where hurricane watches are in effect from Gulfport, Baton Rouge, Lafayette, all the way through New Orleans, and then a tropical storm watch to the west into Lake Charles. Here's the latest forecast from the National Hurricane Center now, and it does paint out a strong Category 3 approaching Louisiana, getting into the time frame of Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. After that, it will hook off to the north and northeast. So with that track staying primarily out of Arkansas, that means our impacts here in the natural state will be minimal. Here's the breakdown of what I'm looking at right now. Low impacts, Pine Bluff, Stuttgart, Hampton. And when I say low impacts, it's going to be breezy. Winds 20, 30 miles per hour. But by far, the most worst of the weather, the heaviest of the rain, and the gustiest of the winds will be situated into southeast Arkansas and right along the Mississippi River. This track has held steady over the past several runs. If it shifts a little farther to the west, 50 miles, then our impacts will be a little bit higher here in central Arkansas. But right now, I think we're going to see some breezy conditions with some tropical showers from time to time. Here's what the European paints out now. Following along, going into Monday evening and Monday night, that's when our chances of the showers start to move in from Ida. But you can see that sharp cutoff, and these are the gusts that could be possible. So gusts 30, maybe as high as 40 miles per hour for southeast Arkansas along the Mississippi River. And then the system moves out, getting into later Tuesday evening, and we're done with it by Wednesday. Temperatures out there right now, very warm, but again, it's not going to be as hot. Temperature 93 degrees, partly cloudy, a few showers and storms tonight. Showers and storms ending, mostly clear, a low of 74. And here's your THV 11 extended forecast. We'll see those temperatures drop down into the 80s with more clouds and the chance of showers Monday and Tuesday, but it's still going to be very humid.